Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the third and concluding day of the third edition of Swaralaya of BVM Global at Bengaluru. Today is the last day of the event, and let us see what we have in store for you.
प्रभो गणपते परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभो गणपते परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभो गणपते 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 சாண்டு வணங்கி துடிப்பாடி ஆடி உந்தன் சன்னதி சரணடைந்தோமே சாண்டு வணங்கி துடிப்பாடி ஆடி உந்தன் சன்னதி சரணடைந்தோமே சாண்டு சிட்ட சௌபாக்கியங்கள் யாவையும் தந்தருள் சத்குரு நீயே சாண்ட சிட்ட சௌபாக்கியங்கள் யாவையும் தந்தருள் சத்குரு நீயே பிரபோ கணபதே பரிபூரண வாழ்வருள்வாயே பிரபோ கணபதே 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 ஆதி மூலகன நாடக ஜானன அற்புத டவல ஸ்வரூபா ஆதி மூலகன நாடக ஜானன அற்புத டவல ஸ்வரூபா தேவ தேவ ஜய விஜய விநாயக சின்மய பரசிவ தீபா தேவ தேவ ஜய விஜய விநாயக சின்மய பரசிவ தீபா பிரபோ கணபதே பரிபூரண வாழ்வருள்வாயே பிரபோ கணபதே 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 தேடி தேடி ஓடிக்கின்றார் உன்னை தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே தேடி தேடி ஓடிக்கின்றார் உன்னை தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே கோடி கோடி மட யானைகள் பணி செய்ய குன்றன விளங்கும் பெருமானே கோடி கோடி மட யானைகள் பணி செய்ய குன்றன விளங்கும் பெருமானே பிரபோ கணபதே பரிபூரண வாழ்வருள்வாயே பிரபோ கணபதே கணபதே கணபதே. Namaskaram. My name is Hamsini. I am studying class 5A in BVM Global at Bengaluru. I am going to sing a song called Ramabhadra Rara. Talam Adi. Ragam Ananda Bhairavi. Composer Bhadrachala Ramadas. Ramabhadra Rara Shri Ramachandra Rara Tamara Sulochana Sita Sameta Rara Mudu Mudu Gara Nava Mohana Garara Adambuja Kili Vadani Rajaksharara Ramabhadra Rara Shri Ramachandra Rara Tamara Sulochana Sita Sameta Rara Patarani Premana Patu Kumarara Gatika Kausalya Mudu Peta Begarara Ninu Manalelura Neelavarnarara Kanula Panduga Kandu Kanna Tandrirara Ramabhadra Rara Shri Ramachandra Rara Tamara Sulochana Sita Sameta Rara Mujaga Mulakanu Adi Mula Brahmarara Sametarara. Thank you. Hello all, my name is Keshav. Today I am going to play Karudagama. Thank you. Namaste. I am S. Ritvika studying in 5th A in BVM Global School, Bengaluru. I am going to play the song Mahaganapatham in my keyboard. Composed by Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. Ragam Natai Ragam Talam Ekatalam. Thank you.
My name is Shweta. I am from 5C BVM Global, Bengaluru. I am going to perform Bharatanatyam classical dance Mushika Vahana.
Rishvina. I am from class 5A. Today I am going to play Achyutam Keshavam on piano. Let's start. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हैं भगवान उसको आते नहीं तुम गैर शबरी के जैसे गिराते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं गोपियों के तरह नचाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. Thank you.
My name is Sanjana. I'm from class 5B and I'm going to sing Geetam Mohana Ragam in Rupakatalam. Varaveena Mridupani Vanaruhalo Chanarani Suruchirapam Varaveni Suranutakal Nirupama Shubha Gunalola Nirata Jaya Pradasila Varada Priya Ranganayaki Vanchita Phala Dayaki Sarasida Sanajanani Jaya Jaya Jaya.
My name is Arushi Kelkar. I study in 5A in BVM Global. I'm performing Bharatnatyam dance.
Hello, my name is Devnara and I'm studying in BVM Global 5C, and today I'm singing Rara Venu Gopal Bala, Bilahari Raga and Adita, and composed by Patnam Subramanya Iyer. Rara Venu Gopal Bala, Rajita Sadguna Jaya Shrila, Sara Saksha Neramemi Marubada Korvalera, Rara Venu Gopal Bala, Rajita Sadguna Jaya Shri Ram, Nanda Gopala Nenandu Pujala, Nivendurara Satamula Madilo, Muda Mula Ragana, Keturuga Gatiyara, Rara Venu Gopala, Rajita Sarguna Jaya Shri Ram, Palumarunuga Rava Manunen, Pilachina Palukavunalu Vakura, Karivarada, Mari Marina, Yadaramugro, Larakani Karamuga, Rara Venu Gopala, Rajita Sadguna Jaya Shri Ram, Nagadara Ramurahara Ra Bavara Hara Ravera I Maguvanu I Lalananu I Sogasini Chekora Kori Kalamponda Dandamu Yandu Jeranu Ninchanda Maruvakura Karamulache Mari Mari Ninu Sarana Dera, Rara Venu Gopala, Rajita Sadguna Jaya Sila.
Namaste, I'm Kavya from class 5. Today I'm going to sing Bhushambo set to the Tara Ekam, composed by Dayananda Saraswati, Ragam Revati. Bhushambo, Shiva Shambho, Swayambho. 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 Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Mamava Bhava Sagara Taraka Gangadhara
My name is Jyoti. I study 5th grade in BVM Global School. Today I am going to perform Sri Ramachandra Kripandu, composed by Saint Tulsidas. Raga Yaman Kalyani, Tala Mishra Chapu.
Hello, I'm Bharat from class 5B and today I'm going to be playing Ninkodi Varna in the Raga Monam Talam Adi, composed by Srinivas Iyengar.
My name is Rukshna. I'm studying in 5th grade C section. The school name is BVM Global, and the raga is Saveri Ragam, and the tala is the Chatushra Jati Rupaka Talam. The song which I've chosen is Geetam 8, 15th Mela Janyam. Janakasuta Kucha Kumkuma Ankitala Chanure Re Bali Harure Kagavahana Kanchi Puri Nilaya Kari Rakshaka Bhuja Vikrama Kamita Pala Dayaka Kari Varada Kalyana Perundevima Noharure Karigirini Vasure.
Takka dimi dimitta dimitta takka tarigudu dirigudu dimitta ritta ritta kitta takka tadim tadim dim tam
dim dim takka dimi dimitta dimitta takka tarigudu dirigudu dimitta ritta 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 kitta tadim tadim dim tam dim dim takka dimi dimitta dimitta takka tarigudu dirigudu dimitta ritta 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 takka tadim tadim dim tam dim dim takka dimi dimitta dimitta takka tarigudu dirigudu dimitta ritta 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 kitta tadim tadim dim tam dim dim takka dimi dimitta dimitta takka tarigudu dirigudu dimitta ritta 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 kitta tadim tadim dim tam
Tadavana munikana sagala sura Kannoda pada ingini jam
Varavina Mrudupani Vanaruhalojanarani Suruchira Bambaraveni Suranuta Kalyani Nirupama Shubhaguna Lola Nirata Jaya Pradhashira Vanadha Priya Vranganayaki Vanchita Paladhayaki Sarasija Sanajanani Jaya 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 Pradashila.
Hi all, I'm Aditi S. Nair from BVM Global Class 5C. Today I am going to do Tisra Alaripu, composed by Malati Ainagar in the Talam format of Tisra Ekam.
Hello, my name is Advait Akash. I study in 4th grade in BBM Global School. And I'm going to sing the song Krishna Baro. Its ragam is Madhuvanti and its talam is Aditalam. It is sung by Purandara Dasa. Krishna Baro, Shri Krishna Baro, Krishnayya ni Barayya. Sanna ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗನಾಥಗಳಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ. ಮನ್ಮಥ ಜನಗಣೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ಕಮಲಾಪತಿ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ. ಮನ್ಮಥ ಜನಕನೇ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ, ಕಮಲಾಪತಿ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ. ಅಮಿತ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾರೋ, ಅಮಿತ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾರೋ. ಕಮನೀಯ ಗಾತ್ರನೆ ಬಾರಿಯ ಮರಿಯೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರೋ, ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರೋ. ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಈ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗನಾಥಗಳಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ. ಊರುಳು ಕೇಶಗಳ ಹೊಳೆವ ಅಂದ, ಭರತ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ತಿಲಕದ ಚಂದ. ಊರುಳು ಕೇಶಗಳ ಹೊಳೆವ ಅಂದ, ಭರತ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ತಿಲಕದ ಚಂದ. ಶಿರಡಿಗೊಪ್ಪುವ ನವಿಲು ಕಣ್ಗಳಿಂದ, ಶಿರಡಿಗೊಪ್ಪುವ ನವಿಲು ಕಣ್ಗಳಿಂದ. ಧರ ಧರದಾಭರಣ ಧರಿಸಿ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರೋ, ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರೋ. ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗನಾಥಗಳಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ. ಹಾಲು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಗಳ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ, ಮೇಲಾಗಿ ಭಕ್ಷ್ಯವ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟು ತರುವೆ. ಹಾಲು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಗಳ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುವೆ, ಮೇಲಾಗಿ ಭಕ್ಷ್ಯವ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟು ತರುವೆ. ಜಾಲ ಮಾಡದೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಮರಿಯೇ, ಜಾಲ ಮಾಡದೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಮರಿಯೇ. ಬಾರಾಯಣ ತಂದೆ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ, ಬಾರಾಯಣ ತಂದೆ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರೋ, ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರೋ. ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗನಾಥಗಳಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ. My name is Samhita Vijay. I'm studying in class 4B BVM Global Bengaluru. Today I'm going to sing a bhajan called Ramakrishna Govinda in Amrita Varshini Raga and Mishra Chaputala. My music guru's name is Vidushi Srimati Shakuntala Molayar. Ramakrishna Govinda Narayana, Ramakrishna Govinda Narayana, 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 Shri Lakshmi Ramana, Shri Lakshmi Ramana, Shri Lakshmi Ramana, Shri Lakshmi Ramana, Narayana, Narayana, Om Ananta 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 Narayana, Ramakrishna Govinda Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Avigna, 4B BVM Global School. Today I'm going to play a song, Prabho Ganapati. The ragam is Tilang, the talam is Adi, and the composer is Agasthyar. Now I'm going to play the Arohan and the Avarohan. Now I'm going to play the song.
Krishna Gite, writer Sri Purandaradasa, Raga Kamboji, Tala Adi Tala, Janya of 28th Mela Hari Kamboji. Mandara Dhare Moksha Murare Dei
Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. I am Kumlesh from class 4A at BVM Global Bengaluru. I am going to play a note to Swara composed by Muthuswami Dikshita in Sankarabharanam Ragam set to Aditalam.
I study in class 4A of BVM Global International School. Today I am going to sing Mahaganapatim song. Ragam Natai, Talam Ekatalam, composer Muthuswami Dikshita. Mahaganapatim manasa smarami, 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 Vashishta Vamadevadi Vandita Mahaganapatim Mahadevasutam Mahadevasutam Guru Guhanutam Mahadevasutam Guru Guhanutam Marakoti Prakasham Shantam Marakoti Prakasham Shantam Mahakavya Natakadipriyam Mahakavya Natakadipriya Moshikavana Modakapriya Mahakavya Natakadipriya Moshikavana Modakapriya Mahaganapatim manasa smarami, Vashishta Vamadevadi Vandita Mahaganapatim. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Kaicharan. I am from class 4A BVM Global School. I am going to sing a Swarajati composed by Patnam Subramanya Iyer, set in Bilahari Ragam Aditalam.
pa sa pa sa ra venu gopal rajita sadgun jaya shila sara saksha nerame maru bada porvalera ravenu gopal rajita sadgun jaya shila nanda gopala నీనందు పూజాలా నీవిందురారా సతమల మదిలో ముదమల రగణ కేతురుగ గతియరవేణు గోపాల రాజిత సద్గు జయ శ్రీలా పలుమారును కారవమునని పిలచిన పలుకవు నలుకగురా కరివరదా మరి మరినా యదరము క్రో లరకని కరము కరారవేణు గోపాల రాజిత సద్గు జయ శ్రీరా నగర రామురగర భవహర రావేరా రవేణు గోపాల రాజిత సద్గు జయ శ్రీలా సార సాక్ష్యానే రమేమి మారు బాధ కోర్వలేరా రవేణు గోపాల రాజిత సద్గు జయ శ్రీలా. Hello all, my name is Maithili. I'm from class 4A BVM Global Bengaluru. I'm going to sing Swarajati to Kamas Ragam Aditalam composed by Chinna Krishnadasar. Sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni samba shiva yana Jatagiri Sarini Sadani Pa Dama Pama Gama Padani Sambhavi Manohara Parat Para Kripakara Shri Samba Shiva Yanave Jatagiri Sari Sani Ni Sani Dadani Dapama Pama Gasama Gama Padani Nive Gurudai Vambaniye Velanuse Vimpusu Sada Nadini Shivasa Amba Shiva Yanave Jatagiri Sari Sani Sa Ni Sani Dani Dani Da Pada Pada Pama Pa Paramadaya Nidivanusu Maravakana Hridayamuna Mahadeva Mahaprabho Sundara Suravaradayaka Bhava Bhaya Hari Shivasa Amba Shiva Yanave Jatagiri Stira Madhura Puramuna Varamulocha Guharuni Niratamunu Talachisa Amba Shiva Yanave Jatagiri Shri Shubha कर शशि मकुटतरा जय विजय त्रिपुरहर समाग सा सरि सा नी नी सा नि द पद प म प
Hi, I am Pranav. I am studying in class 4A in BVM Global at Bengaluru. I am going to sing a small bhajan, Janadana, in Raga Hamsa Nandi, set to Aditala. Janadana Nandabala, Janadana Nandabala, Janadana Nandabala, Govinda Gopala, Govinda Gopala, Govinda Gopala, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Gopala, Krishna Krishna Gopala, Krishna Krishna Gopala, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harshini. I'm studying in 4th grade, BVM school. Today I'm going to sing a song called Raravenu Gopapala, Bilahari Ragam, Aditala, 29th Mela. Raravenu Gopapala, Rajita Saguna Jayashila, Sara Sakshane Rameme, Marubada Korvalera, Raravenu Gopapala, Rajita Saguna Jayashila, Nanda Gopala, Nenindu Pojala, Nivindurana, Satamala Madilo, Mudamala Ragana, Keturu Gagadiyara, Raravenu Gopapala, Rajita Saguna Jayashila, Palumarunu Garabamunanin, Pilachina Paluka Gunaluka Gura, Karivarada, Mari Marina, Yadaramu Krolara Kadikaramu Gara, Ravenu Gopapala, Rajita Saguna Jayashila, Ranagadara Murahara Bavara Vera, E Maguvanu E Lalalanu E Sugasini Chekora, Kori Kalimbanda, Tandamuniana, Jeranu Ninranta, Marubagura, Karamulacho, Mari Mari Ninu Charana Nidarara, Ravenu Gopapala, Rajita Saguna Jayashila, Sada Sakshane Rameme, Marubada Korvalera, Raravenu Gopapala, Rajita Saguna Jayashila.
Me, being a music enthusiast and a singer myself, I thoroughly enjoyed the Swaralya event. We are all ears to hear a few words about the event from our chief guest, Mrs. Meghna Venkat.
Namaste. Hearty congratulations to BVM Global School in arranging Swaralya impeccably. and making it a grand success. The first event of the academic year is always special to a school. I congratulate each and every student who participated in this event with great zeal and enthusiasm. Some of the students really showed immense talent and I wish they pursue it. I could see there were so many creative thinkers and artistic children who are being nurtured in the school, of course, with the support of the parents. It is important the school gives such opportunities for children to showcase, since it is a stepping stone into making them think about creative career options, and BVM has paved a beautiful path for this. I would like to mention here that nowadays, in this competitive world, many children are taking two careers, 2 or 3 specializations, and multiple roles. It has become a norm, and we should not fall back from this. The student should be nurtured from the very beginning to manage their time in order to make time for several things at one time. Hobbies need not stay hobbies. It can become a part-time career, or many part-time careers can become a full-time career. Like you can be a cook, you can be an artist, and you can be a tax analyst. Or you can be a CA, you can be a musician and a poet all at the same time. It is not uncommon and it is becoming a norm. So you have to train yourself to become one like this. So when a student reaches board exams year, say 10th and 12th, do not stop them from everything but study. Make them continue all the activities, maybe until December if the exams are until March. 3 months of concentrated studies, but until then, different types of activities are always helpful. Art can only make you think better. Some tips I would like to give at this point to make the practice more fruitful. For example, for dancers, you should remember to exercise more than you dance and concentrate more than you exercise. For musicians, sing all the time with Shruti box and open your mouth widely. Do not close your mouth, don't use a nasal voice. And keep singing with a talam, that is the rhythm. It is very important. For pianist, listen to other musicians and practice your finger movements very well and get the basic foundation strong before you proceed further. For guitarists, the music you choose is very important. It has to be impactful and Shruti has to be in its place. And on the whole, what's the underlining point? Practice. Practice only can make you better. Do you know how long professional artists practice in a day for performing? They practice a minimum of 4 to 6 hours in a day. Every career needs its time, and art as a career is more demanding. So children, practice. And more importantly, observe. Watch a lot of performances. Watch a lot of whatever you like, watch it more. Learning is important through observing. Use your academics and your art together and make it more flourishing. Your academics are important and not at the cost of your passion. Continue both. Make and manage time for both. It is in your hands. Best wishes to all the students. Good luck, and my thank you to BVM for inviting me to Swaralaya. It has been an honor. Thank you and best wishes. Namaste.
Thank you very much, ma'am. May I now request our principal, Mrs. Sukanya Sai Satish, to share her thoughts.
Good evening, my dear students, parents, and guests who have gathered here today. On behalf of all at BVM, I wholeheartedly thank you all for being a part of the third edition of BVM Swaralaya and encouraging our students. My special thanks to Meghna ji for her words of encouragement and tips to our students, which completely resonates with the BVM philosophy. At BVM, our ultimate aim is at providing a holistic, stress-free learning environment where children learn the academic concepts lovingly and at the same time are given time, support, and encouragement to pursue many other interests. We actively partner with parents at all stages and meet our unified mission of honing multiple talents in our children and preparing them for the future in all aspects. So, as you rightly pointed out, children these days do multiple roles and also pursue varied interests parallelly. So, I definitely concur that developing interest in any form of art and pursuing it with diligence and passion is essential for their mental and emotional well being. So, at BVM, we consciously create the ambience for multifaceted growth of a child, which is not restricted only to academics. My hearty congratulations once again to all the participants, their parents for supporting them, and to the music club and staff of BVM who have made this event possible, letting no hurdles stop us. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivating words. Today being the last and the concluding day of BVM Swaralaya, on behalf of all the students of BVM Global at Bengaluru, I thank our principal, Mrs. Sukanya Sai Satish, our vice principal, Mrs. Ruchi Thukral, and our chief guest, Mrs. Meghna Venkat, for making this event such a memorable one. On behalf of the music club, I extend my special thanks to Anish sir for his meticulous compiling and presentation of the students' performances. Music is the world within itself, with a language we all understand. Looking forward for more such musical evenings in the coming years. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Jai Hind.